Hello world, welcome to the second episode of ADH Techie. Today, we are going to develop the Facebook login page just in 4 steps. Before that, if you guys would like to learn coding or to get free applications or to know about web hacks, don't forget to subscribe our channel. It's absolutely free. Here we are 4 steps. The first step is very easy one, and it's observation. On this step, we open our browser. I prefer Google Chrome. Then type Facebook login. Select the first one. Open. Now the Facebook login page is opened. And this is what we are going to create today. So it is the time to observe. So be silent and just complete the step. So the second step is planning and drawing a rough sketch. On this step, we will create a rough sketch and tag the main sections. On the desktop view, Facebook text container was here on the top left side. Login box container is on the top right side. And the footer is on the bottom. So now let's mark the non-CSS properties. The width of the Facebook text container is approximately 50%. Width of the login box container is approximately 50%, and the width of the footer is 100%. So now it is the time to mark the subcomponents. The Facebook text container contains the Facebook title and Facebook caption. Login text box container contains login text box. Sorry, usually I draw the rough sketch on my pad, but currently for demonstration I am using one software which has some limitations, like I'm not able to include the very minute parts on the sketch. So when you guys drawing a rough sketch, it is better to use pencil and a pad. When we switch to the mobile view, we have few changes. The Facebook text container will be occupy the top position, the login box container will come to the center, and the footer will be stay on the same position. The known properties on the mobile view are the width of Facebook text container, width of login box container, and the width of footer, and all of them is equal to 100%. On the mobile view, the subcomponents remain just like on the desktop view. So that's all. Thank you. We have completed the second step, and let's move on to the third step.